What's going on, everybody? My name is Kels and I smell really good. And this is a little bit different of a video, guys. We're going to be reviewing some clothing. Stick around. Alright guys, man, so like I said, we're going to be reviewing these t-shirts today, guys. Really interesting. Want to talk about it. Before I get into it, please consider checking out my website, kelsmells.com, where you can sample any of the fragrances in my collection. I am a fragrance channel, first and foremost. I like my clothing too, though. I want to start talking about more clothes on here, for real. But let's get into it, okay? So I got these shirts on DHGate. If you've ever heard of that, it's like a Chinese type of website, Amazon type of website. If you know anything, this is Hellstar, okay? Really hype streetwear brand. We're going to talk about these really quick. No, I don't own any real Hellstar. My buddy actually had some Hellstar. I've seen Hellstar in person and everything like that. I'm just not paying $300 for a shirt. Okay. My light went off, man. But yeah, so here's the first shirt, okay? This is the Hellstar one. If you can see that there, this is like a Halloween edition Hellstar. Really sick in my opinion. It's got like the Frankenstein on it and everything. Here's the back. If you could see that. Very nice. Let's look at the tags really quick. So here is the main tag on the shirt. Right up there, if you could see it. I hope you can. And then got these tags here as well. Got this little guy. Everything looks good in my opinion. Like I said, I don't own any real Hellstars, so I can't 100% say. But man, I got a lot of shirts, and I'll say the quality of this looks good to me, man. It really does. The print feels nice on it and everything like that. There's really nothing I can complain about. The only thing that I thought was kind of weird is this like white kind of stuff on here. I'm not really sure what that is. I didn't know if it was meant to be part of the shirt. I thought so at first, but I don't really know, man. That's a sick shirt though. I can't wait to rock this one, man. I paid like $28 for this thing. It got to me in a week and a half, 2 weeks, not that long. I like this so much that I actually bought some more stuff from them. This one is from Valley, okay, which is another streetwear brand. I was actually in California recently, as you probably saw from my vlog. I went to a Tyga and Lil Wayne concert, man, and there was a guy in front of me wearing this brand, and it was a super sick shirt, man. He was a chill dude too, but he was wearing the same brand, and this was after I had already ordered this, so you know, thought that was cool. But here we go. This shirt is so fire, guys. Check that out, man. That is so sick in my opinion. This thing is exactly my style. It's got the Grim Reaper on there, which I love, and that dog. Oh man, it's just so fire. There's the tag right there, if you can see that. I hope you can. And then here's the tag for this one. Very nice, man. But this one has the same thing on the back. It's got that white stuff. I'm not sure what that is. Don't know. But yeah, I mean, I know people are probably going to tell me to put them on and stuff. I'm not going to put them on right now. I was just showing you. But one thing I will say about this one, man, is the print is even better on this one. I mean, the print is super solid, guys, on this. God, I love this shirt. I love these shirts, man. I'm going to end up buying a bunch of these. This thing is just so heat. I mean, look at that. It goes all the way down to the bottom. I'm a sucker for these type of streetwear brands right now, man. I don't know. I just love them. But I love it. Look at this guy. How he's looking at you. I got a Grim Reaper tattoo myself. Really cool. He reminds me of Blind Skateboards. The little Grim Reaper from there. So, all in all, man, I think these shirts are really sick. They're really good quality reps, guys. I mean, $28 a piece. Came out to about $50, something like that. 60 maybe. I don't know. Actually, like I said, I ordered a hoodie recently from the same seller, but it's a Godspeed hoodie. So, like I said, I'll spend on my fragrances. Obviously, I've done that a million times. When it comes to clothes, though, I really don't want to spend $300 on a t-shirt, $150, $200 on a t-shirt. I can't, bro. When I can get something that looks this good for $28, $30, why would I do that? You know, some people might watch this video and hate on me or whatever. I don't care. I'm gonna rock what I rock, and that's all there is to it, man. Love them. I really love them, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you're interested in the seller of these, let me know. I'm gonna have you hit me up on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram's in the description. Everything's in the description. Hit me up. I will respond, and I'll let you know which seller I got these from. Like I said, just hit me up. If you guys have any Hellstar, any reps, if you think these don't look, or if you think they're really fake looking, let me know. I don't, but hey, that's gonna do it for tonight's video, though, guys. I hope you guys found this useful, enjoyed. Consider dropping a sub. We mostly do fragrance on this channel, but every now and then we'll do stuff like this. We're on the road to 4K, man. We're getting so close. Can we just get to 4K already, man? Please. That's gonna do it, man. If you want to keep smelling really good and looking really good, you. Make sure you keep tuning in.
Designer on my neck, in my hands now. Put Versace on my neck, ears bust down.